In this problem, we want to find the smallest a that satisfies a plus square root of a is a times the square root of a. So here, to find this number, we can solve. This is an equation. We can solve for a and see which one is the smallest one. But clearly, if we see that, or if we can just look at the values of a that would make this one that have some kind of sense, okay, is that we require that a must be greater or equal than 0. And we see that if we plug a is as 0, we see that we have 0 plus square root of 0 is 0 times square root of 0. That means 0 is 0. So that means a is 0 is the smallest one, but this is not clear enough. So I think we will have to solve this equation first and see which number is the solution for this case. So 0 is one of these solutions. Clearly 0, 1 is one of the solutions. To be able to solve this one quickly and nicely, we will let t be the square root of a. And since a is bigger than 0, that means t is bigger than 0. And this case means that a is going to be t squared. Okay, so here we transform the equation, this equation here, into this one. So a is t squared plus the square root of a, which is t, is equal to a, which is t squared, times the square root of a, which is t. This gives us t squared plus t is equal to t cubed. Okay, so now if we transform this one to this form, and we factor out by t, we will see that we have t1 t plus 1 minus t squared is 0. Okay, so in this case, either t is 0, or we have 1 plus t minus t squared is 0, or we can write it in a different manner. T squared minus t minus 1 is 0. Okay, so t is a solution. Let's find the other ones. So here we're going to use delta. Delta is going to be, in our case now, this is a, delta is b squared minus 4ac. This is a, this is b, this is c. So a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is minus 1. Therefore, we have minus 1 squared minus 4 times a times 1 times minus 1, which is 5. And therefore, we have t1 is minus b. That means 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. And t2 is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. But we know that this one is less than 0. This one is bigger than 0. So this one, we are not going to accept it because we require that t is square root of a. That means t is bigger than 0. Therefore, we have the only one is this one here. So we have t is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And or t is 0. Okay, this case means that in our case, that means that the a is t squared. That means a is either 0 or a is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And we see that the smallest a is 0. It's bigger than this one, smaller than this one. Therefore, the smallest a that satisfies this one is a is 0. Okay, thank you very much.